In this quick video, I'll show you how to change username of account in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel. Also like this video. For now you can see I have two users on my PC. First user is this and second user is this office work. I want to change the username of office work to OW. So for that I will simply search on my PC control panel. I will simply type here control panel and then we will see control panel open. After that, set the view by option to category. If you haven't already, multiple options are here. We can set it to large icons, but we need to make sure that it is on category. After that, you will see this option user accounts. We need to click on change account type. We just need to click on it. After that, we will see the users which are present on our PC. You can see in my case I have two users, so I want to change the name of this user. If you want to change the username of this account, then we can simply go on it, but I want to change the username of this account, so for that I will just click on it. After that you will see multiple options on the left side of the username, and we can simply change the username of our account, change the password, change the account type. I want to change the name, so for that I will simply click on it and we can simply type the name we want to change for our account. So my name is office work. I want to change it to OW for the short form. I will simply type here OW and then click on change name. After that it will change the name of your account. We can simply check our name here. So I have two accounts, so for that I will simply click on my main account and now you can see my secondary account name is now changed. If your username doesn't update automatically, then you can try restarting your PC and then your name will be automatically updated, but in most of the cases it will automatically update your name on your PC. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.